Aluminium is not a difficult metal to weld using the TIG process. However, before attempting to weld a joint, we need first to demonstrate and explain a few basic pointers. For purposes of demonstration, we are going to use 3.18mm plate that has been sanded and cleaned to remove all traces of oxides and surface impurities as explained previously. Next, we must prepare the welding equipment. Current set to deliver AC with the HF control set to continuous. A welding current of 130 amps. Shielding gas flow set for around 7 liters per minute. Post flow set for 12 to 15 seconds. And the electrode type must be white and prepared for AC. It is suggested that you first practice the welding of aluminium by making a few fusion welds and stringer beads on practice plates. Run-on and run-off tabs have been tacked onto the practice piece, as these will assist in achieving clean start and finish to the welds. As we are using high frequency, the arc is struck when the electrode is brought close to the metal, in exactly the same way as you saw with a DC HF strike. You will notice that the weld pool is somewhat different in appearance to that you've experienced with steel. The welding process, however, is very similar, except that your rate of travel is a little faster than on steel. It takes a bit of getting used to, but with practice you will learn to judge the speed and current necessary to avoid a blow-through. When you feel comfortable with the fusion weld, try doing a few stringer beads using 2.38mm aluminium filler wire. Remember to clean the wire before introducing it to the weld pool. Application of the filler wire is made in the same manner as you learned previously with other metals. It is very important that you keep the weld pool moving at a steady pace, as any hesitation could result in a blow-through. Practice this procedure in your workplace before moving on to the lap joint exercise.